This is Nannie and Papa from Del Rio, Texas. We are going to make zucchini bread for Violet and Isaac because we can't see them yet, but we will eventually. And this zucchini bread is zooolicious. So I'm going to show you all of the ingredients that we're putting in it, okay? Here is oil, vanilla, salt, eggs, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, and nuts, and there's the flour and sugar. Can you see that? Okay, so I'm going to prop my phone up and we're going to start. Okay, the recipe calls to put all my flour and sugar, but first what we're going to do is Papa's going to fix the zucchini, so I'm going to bring it over here to the cabinet so Papa can grind up the zucchini in the grinder, and it's going to be loud, so you'll need to be careful and listen. So go ahead, Papa.
I did wash my hands too.
All right, we got that done. Papa did it for us good. Okay, now we're going back over here to my mixing bowl. Can you see my mixing bowl? I'm not as good at this as Honey is, but we're going to do it. Okay, I've mixed all my flour, sugar, soda, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt, and I put it in the bowl. Pour it in the bowl. Okay, I got all that done. Now I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of vanilla while Papa brings the zucchini to add to my flour and sugar. Okay, Papa, come on. You got to bring it over now. Oops, it didn't get done up. Okay, here we go. Oops. Had a little ooey. Okay, we scrape it all off of the blades, get everything done. Then I take this and I scrape all my zucchini in here. And this zucchini is going to give it moisture, so the bread will be very moist to eat and it won't cake up in your mouth. Okay? All right, I have that done. And now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Here is 1. And this vanilla is from Mexico. When you come to see us, you know where Mexico is, don't you? Okay, and now we're going to have 3 eggs. Violet, I wish you were here to break these eggs open for me. You do that so good. But we're going to put 3 of these eggs into our sugar and our flour. And then we're going to put in 1 cup of cooking oil. Okay? And that will also help to make it moist. Put in your cooking oil, add it to your batter. Get your spatula, which is a tool, and my 1 cup, that's a tool. Okay, got the eggs, the oil, the vanilla, then the zucchini, and now I'm fixing to make a lot of noise because I'm going to beat it up with a beater. Here I go. Takes a while to do this because you have to mix it up really, really good. Okay, now I'll stir it up, make sure I've got it all mixed together. Whoops. I see some flour down there that didn't get mixed in. While I'm doing this, Papa's washing up the dirty dishes. That's his job, is to keep the dishes washed up. Okay, and I've been watching Honey do all of her videos, so I'm trying to kind of act like Honey, you know, so I'm not as good as Honey, but she's been having a lot of fun making everything because this is zucchini bread, and it is zoolicious. Okay, we've got all of the flour and the sugar and everything, and now I'm going to add a half a cup of nuts. There's another tool, half a cup. Okay, I'm mixing all of this together. Okay, we got her all mixed up, everything in it, and now we're going to pour it in the pan that I have right here. See my pan? Okay, we're going to do that, and we're going to cook it for an hour and a half. Maybe not that long, because where we are, you don't have to cook as long as Honey does in her oven. But we're going to put it in this pan and put it in the oven, and then we will have zoolicious zucchini bread. And Papa, if you can see, is washing dishes. Okay, we love you and we can't wait to see you. Okay.
Bye-bye. Have a good day, and we'll have this cake out or bread, whatever it is, in just a few minutes. Like maybe 120 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay.
We love you. Bye.
Bye-bye.